Today we will try to understand what is motion in a plane. You have studied motion of a body in one dimension, that is a long straight line. When a body moves along a straight line, the necessary condition is the acceleration acting on the body must be parallel to the direction of the velocity of the body. If positive acceleration is acting, then the magnitude of the velocity will go on increasing, and if brakes are applied and negative acceleration is acting on the body along the same line, then its velocity will go on decreasing. It means when acceleration is parallel to the direction of the velocity, only magnitude of the velocity changes and not the direction. There is no change in direction. That is, the motion of the body is one dimensional. The body moves along a straight line. But when the acceleration is not in the direction of the velocity, acceleration and velocity of the body both are in different direction. In such cases, the body starts moving in two directions simultaneously. That is, its direction also changes with the change in magnitude, and body moves in a plane, that is in two dimensions. Such a motion is known as plane motion, when the body starts moving simultaneously in two directions. The best example of plane motion is projectile motion. What is a projectile? When any object is projected in space with some velocity in any direction, giving some initial velocity to the body, if it is left in space to move under gravity, under the influence of gravity alone, then such object is known as projectile. And the motion of the object is known as projectile motion. And the path followed by the projectile, path followed by the object, is known as its trajectory. For example, if you throw a stone making some angle with the horizontal, then it will move along a curve. When a cricketer hits a six, again it moves along a curve. If suppose a bullet is fired from a gun, if it follows a curved path. Why curved path? In all these examples, the acceleration is not in the direction of the velocity. So the body moves along a curve, that is, its motion is in a plane, the two-dimensional motion. Suppose we have two balls here. Suppose it is a building. It is a building. Okay. It is a building of some height. Now, there are two balls, exactly identical two balls. This one, ball A, and this is ball B. These are two balls. This ball is just released from point A, and this one is thrown in this direction, horizontal direction, giving some velocity. Here you have given some velocity. in this direction, and this ball is just released from here. What happens? This ball, because of gravity, starts coming downward. Acceleration due to gravity is acting on this ball also, and G is acting on this also. Because of this acceleration, the initial velocity, the velocity of the ball goes on increasing downward. Initially it was 0. The velocity of these two balls in vertical direction is 0. This has horizontal velocity also 0, but the horizontal velocity of ball B is something, suppose it is 20 meter per second. If we neglect the air friction, so there is no factor which will change the horizontal velocity. And because of G, the vertical velocity will go on increasing. So this ball starts moving under the effect of this gravity, and it has some initial velocity 20 meter per second. When this ball arrives, suppose to this position, and then suppose it comes to this position, and finally it comes to the ground at this point. My question is, if the two balls are released at the same moment, this one is thrown in this direction, this is the horizontal direction, इस डायरेक्शन में इसको फेंका गया है, and this ball is released. Which ball reach the ground first? कौन सी बॉल ग्राउंड पर पहले पहुंचेगी? दोनों को एक ही साथ आप जो है, एक को इधर फेंक रहे हैं हॉरिजॉन्टल डायरेक्शन में और एक को यहां से ड्रॉप कर रहे हैं। दोनों की नीचे की ओर जो वर्टिकल डायरेक्शन में जो वेलोसिटी है, दोनों की जीरो है। स्टार्टिंग में इसका जो है, इसका भी यू जीरो है नीचे की ओर, और इसका भी जीरो है। But this side, that is along x direction, it has velocity 20 meter per second. This is the x direction, and this is the y direction. So along y, the velocity, initial velocity is 0, and this also has 0. So when which ball will reach ground first? Yes, both the ball will reach the ground first, but they will follow different paths. The ball A follows this straight line. It comes along this path to the ground. And this follows a curve like this. And it comes here. It has covered vertical distance this much, this much height, and horizontal distance from here to here. The horizontal distance is covered by horizontal velocity, and this vertical distance is traveled by this because of acceleration due to gravity. Velocity in vertical direction goes on increasing. When the ball reaches to this position, the ball B will be here, just along the straight path. It will be here. And when it is here, this ball will come here. And when it comes to the ground, it will also come to. Then both balls will hit the ground at the same time. The only difference is its motion is 2 dimension and its motion is 1 dimension. It is moving along a straight line. Here we have the same vertical height for the two balls. The two balls covered the same vertical height, but initially it was given 20 meter per second, so it also covers a horizontal distance. So both balls will hit the ground together. Simultaneously they will hit to the ground.